Every morning, I wrap a roll of toilet paper in aluminum foil. It may look strange, but watch until the end. You'll start doing it too. Place a new toilet paper roll on aluminum foil with the shiny side facing out. Wrap the roll completely and cut off any excess foil. Then, twist one end to form a cylinder, creating a sturdy base. Now, remove the toilet paper from inside. This creates a disposable food container that holds heat well and doesn't need washing. It's perfect for packing breakfast for work. Finally, here it is, the best way to use dryer lint. From now on, you'll stop throwing it away and start collecting it. The lint from your dryer filter is very useful. First, prepare some empty toilet paper rolls and open the lint filter. Dryer lint is made up of tiny fibers that come off clothes during the drying process. Once you've gathered some, stuff it into the empty toilet paper rolls. You can collect these rolls over time. These soft fibers are highly flammable because they're dry and light. When packed into the rolls, they become excellent fire starters. They ignite quickly and burn strongly, helping you start a fire in any fireplace during winter. In summer, you can use them to light a grill. The lint is extremely flammable and works perfectly as kindling, while the cardboard tubes serve as convenient holders and extra fuel. This way, you save money. It's an easy and cheap way to start a fire without spending extra on store-bought starters. Put toilet paper in your dishwasher. You'll thank yourself later. After the dishwasher finishes the washing cycle, place a roll of toilet paper inside and close the dishwasher. The paper will quickly absorb excess water from the dishes, preventing spots and streaks. In just a few minutes, your dishes will be dry and you can put them away. This simple trick saves time and makes cleaning easier. Ever since I started keeping a wine cork in my fridge, I've been paying less for electricity. It's so simple, yet I don't understand why so few people do it. The fridge, one of the most power-hungry appliances at home, can work more efficiently thanks to this easy trick. A wine cork is made from cork oak bark, a material that naturally absorbs moisture from the air. When placed inside the fridge, it takes in excess humidity, reducing the workload of the compressor in maintaining a steady, low temperature. This happens because drier air makes cooling more efficient. But that's not all. The cork also acts as a natural airflow moderator, helping to distribute cold air evenly, even to spots that usually stay warmer. As a result, the temperature is more stable throughout the fridge, and your food stays fresh longer. It also helps prevent frost buildup on the walls, a common problem in many fridges. You can even add a few drops of your favorite essential oil to the cork and place it on the top shelf. It will absorb the scent and gradually release it, neutralizing unpleasant odors. Try this, and your fridge will use less electricity and run more efficiently, lowering your bills. Even such a small trick with a cork can lead to real savings over the course of a year.